Turkey, where East meets West, history meets modernity. Turkey, a land where continents collide, where ancient history whispers in every corner, and where vibrant culture bursts from every seam. This is a country that defies easy categorization, a place that tantalizes the senses and ignites the imagination. From the bustling bazaars of Istanbul to the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia, Turkey offers an intoxicating blend of the familiar and the exotic. Prepare to be captivated by the warmth of the Turkish people, their hospitality as legendary as the tales of old. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a journey through time, Turkey promises an unforgettable experience. So step onto this magical land and let the spirit of Turkey embrace you. Your journey begins in Istanbul, the only city in the world to straddle two continents, Europe and Asia. Here, the echoes of the Byzantine and Ottoman empires resonate through magnificent architecture and the vibrant energy of its people. But Turkey's treasures extend far beyond Istanbul. Picture yourself floating above the otherworldly landscapes of Cappadocia in a hot air balloon, the morning sun painting the fairy chimneys in hues of gold and pink. Imagine wandering through the ancient ruins of Ephesus, where history comes alive at your fingertips. A tapestry of civilizations, Turkey's historical grandeur. Turkey's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of countless civilizations. From the Hittites to the Greeks, Romans, Byzantines and Ottomans, each empire has left an indelible mark on this land, shaping its culture, architecture and spirit. Walk in the footsteps of emperors and sultans, explore the ruins of ancient cities, and marvel at the architectural masterpieces that stand as testaments to Turkey's glorious past. Feel the weight of history as you wander through the Topkapi Palace, the former residence of Ottoman sultans, or explore the underground city of Derinkuyu, a testament to the ingenuity of early Christians. Each stone, each inscription whispers tales of emperors and conquests, of art and faith. It's a history you won't just read about, you'll feel it beneath your feet and see it reflected in the smiling faces of the locals. Istanbul, where empires converge on the Bosphorus. Istanbul, the beating heart of Turkey, is a city that pulsates with energy and history. This is where East truly meets West, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating an atmosphere that is both intoxicating and captivating. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleyways of the Grand Bazaar, a shopper's paradise overflowing with spices, carpets, and treasures. Find tranquility amidst the soaring domes and intricate mosaics of the Hagia Sophia, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Listen to the call to prayer echoing from the majestic blue mosque, its 6 minarets piercing the Istanbul skyline. Take a cruise along the Bosphorus Strait, the lifeblood of Istanbul, and watch as the city unfolds before you in a panorama of domes, minarets, and palaces. Section 4. Beyond Istanbul, unveiling Turkey's hidden gems. While Istanbul holds a special allure, Turkey's wonders extend far beyond its iconic metropolis. Venture eastwards, and you'll discover a land of diverse landscapes, ancient wonders, and unique experiences that will stay with you long after you've left. Cappadocia, with its surreal landscapes and otherworldly beauty, feels like stepping onto another planet. Here, ancient volcanic eruptions have sculpted the soft rock into fantastical shapes known as fairy chimneys, creating a dreamscape that has captivated travelers for centuries. Further south, Pamukkale will take your breath away. Imagine cascading terraces of gleaming white travertine pools, filled with turquoise thermal waters, a natural wonder that has to be seen to be believed. Section 5. Adventure awaits, soaring above Cappadocia and beyond. For those seeking adventure, Turkey offers a playground of exhilarating experiences. Soar above the ethereal landscapes of Cappadocia in a hot air balloon, the early morning sun painting the fairy chimneys in hues of gold and rose. Trek the Lycian Way, an ancient footpath that winds its way along Turkey's turquoise coast, offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Dive into the crystal-clear waters off the coast, exploring vibrant coral reefs and hidden coves. Experience the thrill of paragliding over the stunning Blue Lagoon in Ulu Deniz, or embark on a whitewater rafting adventure down the rapids of the Köprüsü River. In Turkey, every day is an opportunity for an unforgettable adventure. Section 6. A feast for the senses, Turkish delights. No journey through Turkey is complete without indulging in its vibrant culinary scene. Turkish cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors and aromas, a testament to the country's rich history and diverse cultural influences. From the savory delights of Iskandar kebab to the melt-in-your-mouth sweetness of baklava, every bite is a celebration of fresh ingredients, aromatic spices, and time-honored recipes. Savor the rich flavors of a traditional Turkish breakfast, a feast for both the eyes and the stomach, or indulge in the simple perfection of a freshly baked simit, a sesame-covered bread ring, enjoyed best with a glass of strong Turkish tea. Immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere of a local market, where the air is filled with the scents of spices, herbs, and freshly baked bread. Take a cooking class and learn the secrets of Turkish cuisine from local experts, bringing home with you the ability to recreate these flavors in your own kitchen. Section 7. Discover your own Turkey, an invitation. Turkey is more than just a destination. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a place where you can wander through the ruins of ancient cities, lose yourself in the vibrant chaos of a local market, or simply soak up the sun on a pristine beach. It's a country that will surprise you at every turn, with its warm hospitality, its rich culture, and its breathtaking beauty. So why wait? Start planning your Turkish adventure today and discover the magic that awaits you in this land of wonder and enchantment. Turkey is calling, and your adventure begins now.